of the ofe salad, did you like it?
The ofe salad, I liked it, but Charlie the pepper, the pepper, and I think you guys, you like meat. Like when you cook,
Oh,
you
see,
want
that is
meat.
what we call blockages, hindrances inside the soup.
Mm,
You understand? So there have to be a lot of blockages and
mhm.
hindrances. See, if you're eating the soup and it goes free,
Yeah.
you need to push things. You understand?
Before you can.
Hello guys, welcome to BEFE'S Space. If you are just coming across my channel for the very first time, you're highly welcome. Guys, today I brought you all kamma dine,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Kamma dine. It's nice meeting you,
Oh,
kamma.
nice, nice,
And I
nice
want
meeting
I
you
want
too.
to say a very big thank you for supporting me.
I,
He always shares my video on YouTube, and he said,
I
"Let's do
just,
something together." I was surprised. Hey,
I
someone that is
just,
bigger than me on YouTube is saying, "Let's do
hey,
something." Yes,
bigger.
yes,
We
and
are all crawling, no?
I really
No,
appreciate
no, we
that,
are all crawling. We
Kama.
are not crawling. It's
He's a
just,
YouTuber, so I'm going to be dropping his channel link in the description box and also in the comment section. So do well. See, guys, please do well to go and support him for me because he's been supporting you. So if you love me, please do well to go to his channel, subscribe to his channel, watch his video, like, comment, share. Okay. So today, Kama is a Ghanaian,
yes, yes,
and
yes.
I've watched few of your videos. Or
Yeah,
let me not say few because I've watched a lot. I've watched some of your videos,
yeah,
and you interview Nigerians a lot, interview foreigners in
yeah.
Ghana, and I was like, is this guy a Ghanaian or a Nigerian? So when I found out you're
I
a
think,
Ghanaian, I'm
I
like,
think even,
what's the interest?
I think even on my channel, some Ghanaians
They do
sometimes
feel
feel I'm Nigerian
yes,
because
because it's like you roll with a lot of
Nigerians
Nigerians.
more, yeah.
So what was the interest? What gave you that interest in
You
Nigerians?
know, all of us, I talk about Africa, and
Okay.
the thing is, talking about Africa, and we trying to say that Africa should unite,
Yeah.
and we are saying that, but
We are not acting
we are not doing what we are supposed to
to do.
make people feel like yes, these people are ready and they want to unite. So you being a Ghanaian, why will you hate a Nigerian? Because one Nigerian came to Ghana and caused some trouble.
Mm.
Listen, all of us we do same. You cannot
So,
hate um, one country and say the other country is better. We just love ourselves. That's all.
have you had personal relationships with Nigerians aside, shooting videos with them? Have you had personal, like, do you have some Nigerian friends?
When I was young, I had one Nigerian friend who was very close, very very close.
Oh, okay.
Benson, who was very very close. Like he was he's half Ghanaian and half Nigerian.
Okay.
Yeah, but he lived most of his life in Nigeria.
Okay.
He's one person that I think when I was growing up, he was one person that he was very, I was very very close.
Too.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I would say,
But
yeah,
like as you are grown now, do you have
I still no no
relationships with
I still have I still have a couple. I still have a couple.
and how has it been?
I even stayed with a Nigerian in the same
Oh,
room for like a year or more than a year.
how was the experience?
No, I would say it's okay. Everybody, that's one thing. If you look at it in a way that you don't put it in your mind that oh Nigerians are this, Nigerians are that, and
You live with them
you leave
normally
them
as
as
humans.
humans, you don't have any problem. Because you don't even think that because he's Nigerian is this. No, 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 no. The person is just everybody has his good and bad side.
Mm-hmm.
So like you will not say because this person did this,
That's because he's a
he's a Nigerian.
Nigerian.
That's no, no, no.
It's a
I
person's
don't
personality.
exactly. But for me, the ones that I've experienced, I've not had any problem. Honestly,
That's good.
I've
Have you
not
been
had
to
any
Nigeria
problem.
before?
I will. I will
No,
very soon. Don't
because the
worry.
way you interview Nigerians on your channel,
Yeah,
you
yeah, I
have to
will.
go to
I
Nigeria.
will
Do,
very
do
soon.
you
I
really
will
want to
very.
visit?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Why not? It's on my bucket list, and I think
Okay.
I've gone to Togo, Cote d'Ivoire,
Okay.
um, but I think my next trip for any other African country is going
Would
to
be
be Nigeria.
Nigeria. So, is there anything you've heard about Nigeria that you want to experience for yourself? Like you feel they are exaggerating this thing, or they are saying too much. Let me go and see for myself. Is there anything really dragging you there?
You know, personally, it's not even something dragging me. For me, I think the experiences that I have had with some Nigerians, I think um, I don't have any negative
Perception towards them.
about them. No, and it's an African country, and I just want to visit because perhaps let's say I've heard a lot about the country. Not even bad stuff though, but I just want to visit the country because, to be honest, I have this thing that I want to um, do, like travel, like what Wooda Maya and all these other guys are doing. Yeah,
Okay.
so I want to travel to Africa and also explore. So Nigeria being one country that has so many things in common with Ghana, I just want to
Mm-hmm.
go there and also experience the place and
Mm-hmm.
also get to whatever people have been saying. I just want to
Want
also
to
go to
see.
experience it and see whether it is true or not. So Nigerians, if you're watching this, wait for me. I'll be
Kama is
coming very
coming.
soon. Yeah,
Kama
yeah, I'll
is
be coming. I'll be coming very soon, very very soon.
okay. Have
Like the
you tried
Nigerian
any of the
foods.
Nigerian dishes?
I think what I've tried is the egusi and fufu and like one fensala,
Ofen
one
sala.
fensala,
Hey, who gave you
and
ofen sala?
I think I personally went there to buy
Okay, in a
like in a
Nigerian
Nigerian restaurant in
restaurant.
Ghana. One fensala and the soup
It's
was
called
egg.
ofen sala.
Offensala. Okay, offensala and this thing what's the name? Wheat. Wheat.
Wheat. Ah,
Wheat.
they don't do wheat in Ghana,
No, that place that I went, they served me wheat.
but
I wanted to
Ghanaians
try
don't eat
something
wheat.
different. No, 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 we don't. We eat
Ah,
wheat, but the
not
wheat
the way we eat it.
you eat it. You like you guys prepare it like banku,
Banku.
but ours we do it like cocoa porridge.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
like
okay,
oat,
okay,
for
okay.
instance. That's how we do ours.
Okay, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. I get, I get. So how was the dishes? How were the
No,
dishes?
the wheat, for instance, was like banku.
Do you
Like
chew
it's just
your swallows? Do
no,
you
no, no,
chew
no,
it
no, no,
or
no.
you swallow?
Yeah, you just swallow.
And I feel if you swallow something, you not really feel the taste.
No,
I swallow
even
too. I swallow too.
yeah,
So
even
but
me, even rice. I don't like it so hard,
okay, you like it soft because
soft.
you
Yeah,
swallow most of it.
exactly. So for swallows, I really like swallows, and something like the like what's the name? The something like the wheat, for instance.
Mm-hmm.
It's like banku. Yeah, similar to banku, but the only difference is the color.
Yeah,
It's brownish and
yeah,
banku is whitish, kind
yeah.
of. So that's the only difference.
What of the ofen salad? Did you like it?
Your own salad, I liked it, but Charlie the pepper, the pepper, and I think you guys, you like meat. Like when you cook,
Oh,
you
see,
want
that is
meat.
what we call blockages, hindrances inside the soup.
Mm,
You understand? So there have to be a lot of blockages and
mhm.
hindrances. See, if you're eating the soup and it goes free,
Yeah,
you need to push things. You understand?
before you
That's why
can
you.
take the soup.
And of course, you eat ofen salad. Ofen salad is the soup for meat.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
ofen
yeah.
salad cannot be empty. It's not allowed. It's
Hey,
prohibited. Yes,
so
it's not
meaning
allowed.
even if you are poor and
No, 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 no.
like even if you are poor and you don't have the money to buy the meat,
Leave ofen
you
salad.
still have to.
No, then leave ofen salad.
Hey,
Go for another soup. As for ofen
okay.
salad,
Mm-hmm.
enough blockages and hindrances.
Okay.
That's the culture.
Uh-huh.
Mm. But you enjoyed it.
No, no, no,
Aside the pepper.
I did. The pepper, I think,
You know, Ghanaians don't really eat pepper. When we say this, you people do most of blending of pepper and eating with banku,
yeah.
like touching it with banku. We put pepper in our soups.
You know, sometimes people, we have like certain people that love the pepper. And,
Okay.
you know, sometimes if they want to eat, they add a lot of it.
We have them in Nigeria.
Yeah, we have those. You know,
In
some people
Ghana,
love
which
cat pepper soup. So cat pepper soup, goat pepper soup. Those
in Ghana,
ones,
which tribe loves pepper?
pepper tribe. Pepper tribe. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's like everybody eats the same thing.
In Nigeria, we
It
have
just
a tribe that really
really
loves
love
pepper.
pepper.
Yes.
From in Ghana, I think it's an individual thing. If you really want to add a lot of pepper to your food, you just
Okay.
do that.
On my channel, I even formed an association called Pepper Eaters Association. On my channel. If you know you're part of the Pepper Eaters Association, let me know in the comment section.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
see,
yeah.
we are going to be doing a competition very soon. So go to the comment section so that I might pick you when the time comes. So, pepper is very good. Trust me, pepper is very good. So I want to ask something, or I want you to say something about
Yeah.
this issue.
Okay.
If you have the power to change something, what is it that you will change between Nigeria and Ghana? Yes,
I think it will be the mindset.
good.
Yeah, I think it will be the mindset of anyone who thinks, sometimes some Nigerians will be like small Ghana. They've not been to the country before,
Yes,
so
and they'll
they
say
just
that,
small Ghana and all
and
that.
they'll say that the whole
And
of Ghana is one state.
exactly.
Yeah.
But in reality, I think Lagos population is a lot, but
Mm.
it's not up to Ghana, like Ghana's population.
Mhm.
So I think people just need to learn
Mhm.
and also Ghanaians that always will be like Nigerians are this, Nigerians are that, Nigerians are this. Charlie, me, I've had a lot of experiences with a lot of Nigerians, and I think I would say they are the most easiest. How do I put this sentence? The easygoing people.
Mhm.
Easy, easy. Like if you tell a Nigerian, Charlie, let's do this, papa, he's just ready.
Mhm. Mhm.
But
I agree with you.
honestly, my own people, I cannot say the same.
Hmm.
Yeah, I cannot say the same thing for Ghanaians. No. When you tell a Nigerian, let's do this.
He's like, what's the next step? What can we do
And
next?
honestly, some all the time we talk about. I know that the Nigerian population is a factor for making or like making Nigerian music go
Wow.
worldwide and all that and becoming popular. But trust me, I think their attitude towards what they do
They do.
is
Difference.
also
Yeah.
very, very
Important.
something that helps them a
Stands
lot.
them out.
Yeah, that's what I would say.
Oh, Kama. Thank you so much. No, you know why I'm saying this?
No.
I really want the perception of people to change about Nigeria and also about Ghana.
Yeah.
If you have not been to Nigeria before, you can't just conclude
Yeah, yeah,
on
yeah, you
something
can.
that you heard. And if you've not been to Ghana before, you can't just conclude on
Yeah.
based on I heard.
And some too will say Ghanaians are black people. Like there are quite a number of
Yes.
fair Ghanaians
But do
too.
you know they do categorize me as what's the name of that side in Ghana?
E-
Ewe.
Ewe.
People
Ewes
do
in Ghana
yes,
are mostly fair.
fair. So people do think I'm
You are
Ewe.
Ewe, yeah.
Yes. So they're like you are a Ghanaian, you look like an Ewe
Ewe.
woman. So there are fair
Yeah,
Ghanaians,
yeah,
you
yeah.
know.
There are
Yes, there are fair Ghanaians. So don't group all
all of
Ghanaians
them.
to be, and they do think that all Nigerians are fair too.
Yeah, yeah,
Most
yeah, yeah,
Nigerians are
yeah,
fair.
yeah,
We have black, oh, we
yeah.
have black.
Very,
So
very black.
it's not like all Nigerians are fair or all Ghanaians
And
are
even
not.
Nigerians that are fair, I think what I know, like correct me if I'm wrong, they say it's mostly the Igbos. Oh,
Me, I don't even know. That's the thing. I
mm,
don't know, but I know Igbos too are fair, and they're also
yeah,
dark too. I've also seen people from Yoruba that are also fair.
fair.
I've
Okay,
seen people from Hausa that are also fair.
okay,
So, but I cannot say the population is higher here or the number is higher
higher
here
there.
than here because I have no facts.
Okay.
I have no facts. So, Kama, do you have anything to say to my people?
I remember Ice Prince saying Benin and Togo, man. I think if anybody can remove those two countries, they should just remove those two countries and bring Nigeria closer to Ghana
Ghana.
so that we put those people out
Because
after
it's like we
Nigeria.
crossed them.
Yeah, and
Like
you know,
true.
I think Ghana is the most closest English speaking country
To Nigeria,
to Nigeria.
yeah. Yeah.
So it makes sense if Nigerians are coming here. Cause Charlie, Nigerians, no matter what we do, if you are Ghanaian, they are our brothers and they are. forever going to be our brothers.
Yes.
If anything happens here today, most Ghanaians will trip to Nigeria.
Nigeria.
If anything happens in Nigeria,
Most
most Nigerians will
Nigerians will
come to
trip to
Ghana.
Ghana.
That's the truth. This banter that we do, it's fun. It's just fun that we do
But
this
let's not
stuff.
take it personal.
Personal, no, no,
Yeah,
no, no,
let's
no.
not take it personal.
Yeah,
Thank you so much
you're
for
welcome.
coming,
You're
Kamma.
welcome.
I really
You're
do
welcome.
appreciate your time.
You're
I
welcome.
really appreciate your support
You're
and
welcome.
your love to my channel. God
Oh, don't
bless you
worry.
so
For
much.
me, it's all about supporting each other.
Mm-hmm.
Just as sharing someone's video does not take anything away from you.
Mm-hmm. Thank
Nothing.
you. Thank you. You always share my videos,
Nothing. It
and I
doesn't. It doesn't. It
appreciate.
doesn't take anything away from you. So just do it and Charlie, be free.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm sure you've heard everything that Kamma has to say, and the Nigerian and Ghana wala. It's all love, oh. It's all love. I
Oh,
always
nothing.
say
Nothing serious
it's
about that.
all love, nothing serious.
Nothing
Okay.
serious.
I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, just like I enjoyed shooting this video with Kamma. Please do well to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Turn on the bell notification so you get notified when next I upload a new video. And until we meet next time, do not forget to always smile because you're beautiful when you do. Bye.